Gemma
and Jaden.
EduPlay! Please like
And subscribe.
Today we're going to be talking about blood types. We're going to find our blood types using this kit. Are you ready, Jaden?
Yeah! What are blood types? There's 4 blood types. A, B, AB, and O.
The blood types have tiny proteins called antigens. If you have A antigens, you have type A. If you have B antigens, you have type B. If you have both A and B antigens, you have type AB. If you don't have any antigens, you're type O.
Blood also has Rh factor.
Rhd factors that surround the outside of a red blood cell, and they determine if the blood cell is positive or negative. The positive has these little black dots that surround the blood cells, and negative has none. So, there's 8 blood types total. Let's find out what our type is. But before we testing, let's talk about why blood types matter. If somebody loses a lot of blood and then they go to the doctor to get more blood, if they give them the wrong type, then they could possibly die. Like a phone and a wrong charger. So if you try to plug the phone in, it won't charge.
Oh no, the phone won't charge.
That's why doctors check their blood type before giving them blood. Now let's test our blood type. Yay! Don't forget to wash your hands before this. Now let's open this. I'm taking out the test card. Now we have to break these apart. Now let's break these apart.
Now we need to put water on this.
Now twist this thing, and then we'll wipe our hands with this alcohol swab. You do first.
No, it's okay.
Gemma do first.
I mean,
do first.
I would do
Gemma
Gemma.
do first.
Just,
Gemma do first.
Yeah, give me the.
Gemma, did it hurt?
You need to press
Gemma,
it.
did it
press
hurt?
it. Yeah, press
I need
it.
to. I'm gonna close my eyes.
I kind of got the same reaction as Dad's.
Really?
Yep. That didn't hurt.
It actually felt kind of good.
Yeah. Mom, what happens if you try to poke yourself with that when there's no tip in there?
Nothing to do. It would just make a sound, not do anything.
It would make you so scared. Okay, let's check the reactions card.
Is mine the same as Gemma's, or what?
I'm A positive. Type A. I think we're the same. Mine looks exactly like it. That's basically a typical signal, and this is a strong signal. See? Dwang.
This is a Gemma's.
Yep, it's mine.
Mine still has a lot to dry.
Oh, you put. This is a Jaden.
Now we know our blood types. My blood type is type A, Rh positive.
My type is the same as my sister.
It's really fun knowing our blood types. I can donate to another A, like Jaden, or an AB type. What blood types do you think we can receive, Jaden?
A and O. What do you think, Gemma?
I think it's right.
Yay, yay, yay.
Thanks for joining us on this awesome science adventure. Thank you for watching. Gemma,
Jaden,
EduPlay. Please like
and
subscribe. Thank you. Bye.